Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to this channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Hey guys, you can tell by the title of this video what we're talking about. Our new friend here, Rylee. Okay, Rylee's in the building. Okay, so here she is. We have the Rylee Loose Wave Curtain Bang Natural Black in 14 inches. And I am 5'4" for reference. Wig cap is a medium, 21.5 to 22 inch. And then again, the lace is Mocha. So I need to obviously cut the lace off. Let's take my glasses off. Cut the lace off, but the lace looks great. This is the hairline, okay? It gives more of like what my hair looks like when it's flat ironed kind of feel. Let me quit flipping the hair around, and yeah, let's go do our thing. Ah! I love it. Yeah. Now she worth a pretty penny. She worth a pretty penny, okay? But I've been saving up for it, okay? I've been saving, okay? Yeah, in this economy, okay? In this economy with tariffs. Girl, we'll talk about it on the other side. I have worn Rylee at least 3 times so far since I've had her. Okay, so we're going to call her Rylee. Is the name of the unit. I will put all the details in the description. If I can find a code, I will put that code in the description box. It's about 30% off, I think. And I do want to note, they charge $15 for tariffs. So that's how I feel about that. So there's additional so you're technically only getting $15 off because you have a $30 off coupon. Here is Rylee. She is 14. I usually get 16 inches. She is 14 inches. Again, for those of you who are new to the channel, I am 5'4". This is where 14 inches hits on me. 16 inches always seems so much longer to me, so I thought the 14 inch would A, look more natural, and then B, be a little bit shorter than what most of my other wigs are. So here is Rylee. She is a little bit curled. If I pulled her down, it's like a little bit below my bra strap, or right at the edge of the bottom of my bra strap. So I love this length. It's very natural. The density is very natural. The color is a bit darker than, it says natural hair color, but I would like it to be a little more brown. Not brown, but like dark brown. But it looks more black. Not jet black, but it is black, shawty. But that's totally fine. It is what it is. But I guess it looks natural. I did leave more lace than I usually do. Because I feel like from afar and even a little bit up close, it looks more natural with the extra little bit of lace than when I normally cut right on the edge. I do have a kind of a wavy hairline. So my hairline, I have like little hair pieces on the side that kind of stick out apart from what the wig does. So it kind of looks, as you can see, like right here. So if I have to, I don't have it glued down today, but if I did, or when I use my hairspray, I just kind of pull it a little bit in front of my hairline and then glue spray here, and then right here, the ear tabs down. So 1, 2, 3, so 6 places I will put the spray to kind of lock it down. Again, today I'm just plopping it on to show you guys, so she not glued down, okay? The tabs, if at minimum you want to glue these down if you're going to be pulling your hair behind your ears or flicking it, or it's going to be windy and you don't want your ear tabs to show. I always have a tough time with these, but let me show you. Let me see if I can get up close. I don't have my glasses on, y'all, so I can't see as well. But if you do like that, like I said, you can see because my hairline does not go like this. My hairline comes up. So what I just do is I just pull my hairline up, kind of swoopity swoop, and do like that. But it looks very, very natural, even though the wig stops right here. My hairline's way back here. If I pull the back of my hairline, would not be very cute. It does not look natural, because see, look, that's what my hairline's looking like at the moment up under this unit. But as you can see, and then when you spray it down too, it melts kind of in more too into your skin. And I put a little bit of foundation powder on top, and girl, it'd be looking good. So let me show you what that looks like. The construction of the cap. It has the band and it has a comb in the back. There are no combs internally, which I love. I love the stretchy cap. The unit came, I haven't yet washed it, so I'll need to wash it, which typically I wash it straight out of the box, but I really loved Hairvivi. I love their units because this is my third Hairvivi unit. Go ahead and check out some of my other ones while you're here, and go ahead, girl, and subscribe since you're here. But anyways, the box comes very nicely packaged and all the contents inside are great. Again, Hairvivi, it has tons of parting space that looks, again, natural, so you can part it from here to here. I'm usually a side part girl, but she came parted down the middle, so I've just been wearing it like that. I love the bangs. I thought they were going to be a little bit shorter, which actually is even better that they aren't. I love the style, how they cut it. I curled it. I'll show you here how I curled it. I did a wand curl. Love this curling iron. The best curling iron for that kind of wavy or even tighter curls that fall a little bit throughout the day. The hair does keep a curl. I didn't use hairspray this time, so I usually use hairspray and it will last in the wigs until I wash it, and sometimes I don't wash it for like a month, so because I don't wear wigs every day. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will catch you guys in my next one. Wait, you'll catch me in the next one. Bye.